Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So, yesterday, the daily definitely did make a pretty nice engulfing move to the upside. Now, that doesn't prove 100% that this is continuing the uptrend. The weekly and the monthly trend is definitely still up, so it for sure could now continue the uptrend, making new higher highs. But it also could end up being just a pullback to the last wave down. So if we do get like a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce on sort of time phase, we do have to keep in mind that this move up could just go to a Fibonacci retracement level, and it could just end up pushing down again, giving us this break of structure, which would prove that the weekly uptrend may be over. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. Like I said, this move up right here is either going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, going up and up and up, if it is the continuation of the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend, or it's potentially going to turn into a very overlapping pattern, a corrective overlapping pattern going right up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then turning to the downside, hopefully with some sort of a recognizable pullback, like an ABC or a WXY or a flat pattern or something like that. So hopefully we can be looking for longs over the next few days, and we're going to learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave B or a wave two, which would be a crescent to the whole move down, or whether this is actually continuing the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.